Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing the extra section of Composer.json. Here we'll look into Drupal Scaffold first. So what is Drupal Scaffold? Drupal Scaffold is actually, so there are a set of scaffold files in our directory like the index.php, the update.php, and these reside inside the web directory for a project which is installed using Composer. And if you look into a project which is downloaded from Drupal.org, that is the tar file downloaded from the Drupal.org, you can see the index.php and update.php are part of the root directory. So if suppose you are running a project in Composer and you are executing Composer require or Composer update or install, there may be some set of updates available for the project, and these updates, you want these updates to be reflected in the scaffold files as well. So for that, you have to specify that these files should be as part of the root, web root, and the direct web root location. So here you have specified that Drupal scaffold is in the location web root, and the web root is the directory web. So web directory will have the entire scaffold files. So the index.php and update.php is within the web directory, and any updates that you are running using Composer will reflect in index.php and update.php. Now let's look into the installer part. So whenever you install or whenever you add a package to the project, how will it know that where this particular package should be placed? That is specified using installer paths. Suppose you are installing a contributed theme or a contributed module. The installer path will tell the system that this particular contributed module should go into the web modules contrib directory with the name as the directory name. So it checks the type of the directory. So it's module with Drupal module type, and it goes to this. If suppose you are installing a contrib theme, then it will go to the particular location like web, themes, contrib, and then the module. So I'll just install a Composer theme, contrib theme. It is 0 points. And if I install like this, you can see there is inside the theme, inside contrib, this is the theme installed. Like it is like web, theme, contrib, and then the name of the theme. Web, themes, contrib, and then the name of the theme. So everything related to the theme is under this name. So similarly, any profiles, any contrib library or any contrib profiles or any custom module that you're installing or custom profiles or themes, anything should be placed into the location specified in installer paths. That is what installer path implies. Thank you.